In this video, you will learn how to use workflows in Protégé to draft tailored strategic interrogatories. Access Protégé and click to view the litigation workflows. Here, you can draft discovery documents such as deposition questions and interrogatories using a streamlined workflow process. Let's say you are preparing discovery in a complex litigation matter. The complaint has been filed and now it's time to draft interrogatories. Click into the workflow process to quickly draft comprehensive interrogatories strategically aligned with your claims or defenses and customized to your jurisdiction's rules. You will be prompted to upload relevant documents such as the complaint, answer, or case summary directly into the workflow. Or you can skip this step and you will be prompted to enter key details such as the jurisdiction, party designation, and cause of action. I'll upload a complaint and answer for this example and prompt the workflow to pull the needed information from the uploaded documents. The jurisdiction is Wyoming. Protégé then detects the jurisdiction, securely analyzes the uploaded materials to understand the factual background, claims, defenses, and key issues, then generates a structured set of interrogatories tailored to your case. The draft is written in clear, precise legal language and aligned with your claims or defenses. You can then open and edit the document to reorganize or expand specific interrogatories and enter follow-up prompts as needed. Because Protégé is grounded in trusted legal intelligence, you can draft with greater confidence, knowing your starting point is reliable and relevant. Copy or download the final interrogatories. By combining your legal judgment with AI-powered efficiency, you can move through discovery faster using private, secure, authoritative legal AI. Contact your Lexis representative to learn more.